I started as a trading company in 1978. At that time, I started first with cement. My grandfather used to be honest, to make sure that you are fair to everybody, to be also generous. He was very generous. You have to be very, very disciplined. You have to know.
Imagine starting with just a few trucks in Lagos, trading cement, and building a multi-billion dollars empire that touches every African's daily life. That is not a fairy tale. That is the story of Aliko Dangote. Today, I am breaking down his extract blueprint for wealth creation so you can apply it. Whether you are starting with 50,000 naira or 5 million naira. If you are tired of trading time for money and ready to build real, lasting wealth, watch till the end. This might be the most valuable 10 minutes of your year.
I started as a trading company in 1978.
And what kind of things did you trade?
Cement. At that time, I started first with cement. And then later on, I got into fish, into rice, into sugar. And, we continued to expand.
See that. You don't inherit billions. He started trading cement with 4 to 5 trucks in Lagos. He spotted what people needed and solved it. Lesson 1. Start where you are with what you have. You don't need millions. You need eyes to see problems and the courage to solve them. Dangote's grandfather taught him 3 unbreakable traits: honesty, fairness, generosity. These are not soft skills, they are wealth accelerators. People trust you, they come back, they refer others. In today's world of shortcuts and fake promises, character is your greatest competitive advantage.
Discipline. You have to be very, very disciplined. You have to know what trading is. Not that you be jack of all trades. No. Pleasure and business, they don't mix at all. And business is actually my hobby. I take my business as a hobby, because if I take it as a job, I won't work this hard.
Discipline is the real currency of wealth. Dangote said it clearly. Don't mix business with pleasure. That means don't chase every shiny object. Crypto today, dropshipping tomorrow, agency next week. Don't spend profits on luxury before the business is mature. Don't treat your business like a job. Treat it like an hobby. Wealth creators fall in love with the process. Ask yourself right now, are you disciplined enough to wake up early, study your market, and say no to distractions?
Companies that are wholly owned by Dangote Industries, which they are not listed, will never ever take a dime out of the company.
Lesson 3. Reinvest like your future depends on it, because it does. Most people make a little profit and rush to buy the latest phone, designers, clothes, or throw a party. Dangote, no. He puts every kobo back to work. That company is why one cement trading company become refinery, sugar, fertilizer, and more. Practical tips. Decide today what percentage of profit you will be always reinvest. Live below your means. Start the business first.
You must choose what do you really want to do for your life, and then you pick up and concentrate on that. And then
Lesson 4. Focus on what people need. Dangote don't chase trends. He produces cement for housing, sugar for food, rice for daily meal, fertilizer for farming, refinery for energy security. Find a woman needs in your community or country and fill it exceptionally well. Final truth: wealth creation is not luck, it is discipline, focus, reinvestment, and character repeated for decades. Start today, start small, stay consistent. If this inspired you, drop "I am starting" in the comment section. Share this with one person who needs to hear it. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week, we are going deeper into building unstoppable habits. You have everything you need. Now go build.